In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write in bold text on YouTube comments. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you have been around YouTube and you've been scrolling through YouTube comments and you've seen people comment in bold text and you don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you how you can do it in today's video. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my YouTube. Once I've opened up YouTube, I will find a random video on my channel to show you this tutorial. So once you are on the YouTube video you want to comment on, all you simply need to do is come down to the comments and click on the comment box. Once this comes here, I will just go ahead and write a couple of words in normal text. So this is and then if I want to go ahead and write in bold, what you need to do is you simply need to put a star, and then I'll go ahead and write tutorial, and then once you have a star and then you've finished writing your comment, all you simply need to do is put another star at the end. And then once you have done that, the tutorial part of this comment should now be in bold. So as you can see, I have now commented on my video and this is all in normal text and tutorial there is now in bold text. So that's how you can go ahead and write in bold in YouTube comments.